Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can watch Hulu on Apple CarPlay. Let's get started. So essentially, Apple CarPlay does not naturally have streaming services like Hulu, for example, so you're unable to watch it on an Apple CarPlay system. But there are two methods by which you can go around this situation. You can use an AI box, which is a device that allows you to stream video contents and much more, or you can also go ahead and use a jailbreaked version of your iPhone to go ahead and install unofficial apps and tweaks, which can include video playback on CarPlay. However, keep in mind, jailbreaking voids your warranty and can introduce security risks. So if you choose this method, be wary of the consequences that may arise. Now, for those of you who are wondering, there is a great AI box that you can purchase, and you will not need to use jailbreak for this, and it is called AutoCast AI Box Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This is really good, is pretty popular. It is set up with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM to enable lag-free Wi-Fi connections. It's compatible with almost all the versions of the iPhone, from the iPhone 5S to the iPhone 16. It is a fast and reliable system with multiple platforms. So again, this is an ideal AI box you can use to watch Hulu on your Apple CarPlay. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.